Let's talk about Tesla's and electric cars' biggest advantage over gas cars that are not being very much talked about in the media. In this report, I'm going to talk about the biggest advantage of electric cars and Tesla vehicles over gas cars that doesn't get enough media coverage and why many automotive dealerships don't actively promote their electric cars to car buyers. Welcome back, dear friends, and subscribers and viewers. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please take a moment as I'm going to tell you this story and subscribe to our channel. Ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next story about Tesla and the automotive sector. And also please like this video to show you your appreciation of Dean McManis, who shared this information as a comment in my yesterday's report. In one of my previous stories discussing Tesla maintenance versus gas car maintenance, I was talking about the differences and similarities of maintaining Tesla vehicles versus ICE in internal combustion engine cars. My friend and Torque News contributor Dean McManis made an informative comment discussing the biggest advantages of electric cars that don't get enough coverage. I mean, the biggest advantage of electric cars that doesn't get enough coverage in the media. So public knows about them. Car buyers and people who purchase cars, electric cars, may know about this. In this report, I'm going to share Dean's comments with you and talk about why my car dealerships don't actively promote their electric cars. Dean writes, "This is a big advantage of electric cars and doesn't get enough coverage. Most auto dealerships make significantly more off of service centers' profits than from selling their cars." Did you get the point? Car dealership makes sometimes significantly more profits off of service center than selling cars. This is one of the big reasons why traditional automakers and dealerships do not really actively promote electric vehicles, because electric vehicles require a fraction of the maintenance of fossil-fueled vehicles. One issue with Tesla is simply the complexity of the designs by virtue of the cool technology. Complicated by the fact that Tesla does not train or authorize non-Tesla company mechanics to do any service work, this system supports new Tesla buyers by ensuring that work is honestly done and properly completed by trained technicians. But as Tesla age and get into accidents, the lack of secondary repair and support hurts resale value of used and damaged models. To be fair, most mere luxury cars, gas cars, also have the high technology electronics and components that are very expensive to repair, which drastically reduces resale value from new. I have had, Dean says, 4 plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, so I have enjoyed the best of electric vehicle features with smooth performance and economical operation. I did notice that the brakes wear very little because of regenerative braking, because the electric motor converts the energy of slowing the car down into electricity rather than into heat and wear for normal brakes. As a result, electric car owners and Tesla owners go for the maintenance to service centers of dealerships far less, and they don't make that much money off the electric cars. So after many thousands of miles driven, the brakes and rotors look nearly new. Also regarding battery life, the latest Model 3 batteries are projected to have between 300,000 to 500,000 miles of life. Recently, testing of Model 3 batteries showed that their battery range at 100,000 miles is 95% as much as when new. Tesla is currently working on a 1,000,000-mile battery that should be out soon that will extend this repair cost advantage over gas cars even more. I just mentioned that in my previous report about Tesla's advantage of Tesla Semi's advantage due to the battery over other trucks, that Tesla just patented that new battery technology, and you are most welcome to take a look at that report as well. Well, friends, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about these things. in the comment section. Let's discuss them, and in the meantime, please subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell, and like this video to show your appreciation of Dean's work and comments, as well as your comments are always welcome. I'll see you in our next report. Have a wonderful day. God bless you and stay safe.